Hey, it's Mussy, and I'm going to give you a quick run through of CrossVault. And I promise, if you don't find it helpful and you register for an account and it doesn't change your life, I will order you a pack of Krispy Kreme glazed donuts, a dozen glazed donuts straight to your door. I reckon that's how much it'll change your life and make it a lot easier. So I'm just going to log in to the demo account sandbox, and on this screen, you can just launch an instant demo, and I can see demo mock-up timesheets for multiple employees. And the whole concept of this is we don't want you to be paranoid about compliance and AI, even though it's a widely used term in marketing. When used properly, is actually really important and effective. So in this, I've uploaded a bunch of timesheets, and it looks at the SHADS compliance and all the rules and all the multiple pages, and it's able to say, hey, this person's got a broken shift, or this person has a sleepover error, whatever that may be. So I can upload it as multiple employees on a single sheet. I can upload them as individual employees. That AI is really smart. It's able to detect that and process it accordingly. So I can click on any employee and it says, hey, this person's compliant. I've checked 5 shifts and there's 1 employee on this timesheet. Then I can go to Mark Taylor over here and say, hey, there's $20.82 underpaid. This is the issue. This is why I think it's the issue. This is the maths around it, and this is the risk if it keeps on going. So it's such peace of mind, and this is why this system was developed as ex-employment hero sales reps who saw this problem and saw people were spending so much money on compliance, and there was such a headache, and people were doing this manually. So this is built to be peace of mind at no cost, or super low cost, and it's like a 24/7 assistant that runs and looks over things. So that's the timesheet checker, and it sits on top. We're not looking to replace your timesheet system. It sits on top of anything. So whatever system you use, you export that, you integrate it, whether it's Xero, whether it's ShiftCare, we love them all. So you export it, and our AI just sits on top of that and analyzes it all. So it's no extra infrastructure shift for your team. So that's the timesheet checker. That's the big one. And then we have the SHADS GPT. So it's like an assistant in your pocket. So if you get a query from a supplier, client, whoever it may be, upload whatever, and ask them like, hey, does this make sense? Is this compliant? Is this an issue? Whatever it is, it's like your assistant in your back pocket. And ChatGPT fails in this area. I love ChatGPT, but it fails in this area because it's got such a wide domain of knowledge, whereas our one, even though it has that same domain of knowledge, it's structured and trained specifically for SHADS, and all the documentation's fed into the system. So it's mega powerful in that, and that was a really cool engineering feat that our team was able to pull off when it comes to that and retrieval and giving the right answers. And another cool one I'll end this with is email assistant. So the reason I like this as a little feature is you get any email from whoever, and instead of copy and pasting it to the AI, you have a subscription on CrossVault, and you can just forward that email to our email, and our AI replies as if you pasted it in the chat straight to your email, sends it back a reply. This is what you should say. This is what you should do. Hey, these are the reference points I found in the SHADS documents. And this is why it makes sense. So it's like like an assistant in your pocket, helps you stay compliant, helps you minimize cost and risk, and yeah, honestly, give it a go. The Krispy Kreme is all yours if you don't find it useful. But yeah, I think you will. I think everyone will find it pretty useful. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Not in a sort of we're so cool way, but man, just so excited about the feedback and what we've built. It's we love building, we love feedback, and we love solving problems. Those are our main things. So cool. I think I covered that as quick as I can. Thank you.